Storm may be over, but the impacts are still being felt by residents and local businesses throughout western Pennsylvania.
Covering Allegheny County in Oakmont tonight, Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reporter Jordan Scioppa learned how people are working their way through the snow.
It's the night after the snowstorm and life isn't quite back to normal just yet. However, slowly but surely, cars and sidewalks and streets are being cleared and businesses are reopening. On an icy cold day in Plum, the ovens inside Veltry's Pizza were burning hot once again. The pizza shop reopened Monday after losing a day of business to Sunday's snowstorm.
We rarely close, so we had to, just to the safety of everybody. You know, not only our drivers going out there, but we don't want our customers coming in here when they're trying to risk their life for a pizza.
Veltry's employee Jim Zeck says Sundays are big for business, especially when football is on. To make up for the loss, he tells me they will be open on Tuesday instead of closed like normal.
Once the roads get cleared, everybody's fridge is empty, so I'm sure they're going to be hungry.
One borough over in Oakmont, Timothy Davis put his shovel to good use
through sidewalks, walkways, driveways.
Helping out the elderly for a cheap price.
I try to help people out as much as I can. It's really not about the money for me, but again, this is a lot of snow to handle for free.
His hours of hard work in the cold didn't go unnoticed.
I've been getting blessings. They're paying me more than what I ask. They're calling around to people asking if they have a snow blower I could rent.
Oh, I love this. I live for this.
Really?
Yeah, this stuff's great to me. I'd rather have this than gray skies, you know?
The tedious task of digging out snow-covered cars wasn't all that bad for snow lovers like Joey Mancuso. It was the only thing left between him and an evening sled ride with his son.
I love you, Mom. Oh, he's getting thrown in and making a snow angel. Yeah, absolutely. We're going to have so much fun. I'm reliving my childhood through him again. But it's cool because I get to do it with him and not look weird.
And this week in Oakmont Borough, residents are asked to follow the posted street sweeping schedule so crews can clear off the roads. Covering Allegheny County and Oakmont, I'm Jordan Scioppa, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.